Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2014 Dodge Challenger. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this little vacuum line and we're going to slap it onto this one here. Alright, let's go ahead and grab this battery and slap it up here. We're going to move this battery clamp over to the side, this here to the side, this here, and let's go ahead and slide our battery in. Alright, once you have the battery in, go ahead and plug in this vacuum line before we forget. Forgot to take it off when I removed the battery, but I left the connector there. Left the hose in the back. Alright, let's go ahead and remove these battery cover terminals, protectors, my dings. Let's go ahead and put in the positive. Let's go ahead and pull on this rope. Sorry, I know there's a lot of things going on right now. And let's go ahead and put the battery clamp on first. That goes way down here. And sweet. Let's go ahead and put on the screw. Alright, we're going to use a 10mm socket to tie this down. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put in our negative terminal. Alright. Now what we're going to do is going to go ahead and tie that down. Looking for my wrench. Let's go ahead and tie down the positive terminal first. And let's tie down the negative terminal second. This is both 10mm wrench. Alright, that should be pretty good. Let's go ahead and clean up our area. There it is. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on. Simply slap it back into the trunk, like so. You might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. Back into place. Go ahead and close the trunk. Start the vehicle up. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.